Hi everyone, welcome back to another online video class. This online class or homeschool learning is brought to you by Bunjit Vidya School. Bunjit Vidya School offers you math in action. You are going to learn math for this video. And of course, you will be with me. My name is Teacher Riva, and we will be again together as we learn math concepts in English. Are you ready? Are you ready? If you are ready, then let's begin. Or at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's start. Still, we are in the topic numbers to over 1,000 or less. Numbers ranging from 1,000 or less. From the last video, we have discussed and studied differentiating odd and even numbers. Can you repeat after teacher? Let's have this one first. Say odd. Odd. Odd numbers. Odd numbers. Very good. How about please repeat after me again. Say even. Even. Even numbers. Even numbers. Very good. Now, again, odd numbers are numbers starting or ending rather with the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And all 2, 3 or more digit number ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are all odd numbers. And for even numbers, they are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And all other 2, 3, 4 or more digits ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are even numbers. That's the difference between the two, odd and even. We also had discussed on the different comparing symbols. We have greater than, less than, and equal to. Repeat after me. Greater than, less than, equal to. Very good. We compare which number is small, which number is big, or are the two numbers equal to each other. Let's cite an example that we had on the last video. On the first figure, we have the figures 3 by 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives us the number 34, right? And on the other side, we have this 1, 2, 3. 3. Remember, the easiest way to compare the numbers is by looking through the number of its digits. 34 has 2 digits, namely 3 and 4. 34 has 2 digits, while 3 is a 1-digit number. Therefore, which is bigger? Is it the 2-digit number or the 1-digit number? Right, 34 is greater than 3, or you can just say 3 is smaller than 34. 34 is greater or bigger than 3, or 3 is smaller than 34. And if we compare the same number of digits just like this, we need to find and we need to look for the values. For example, 200 and 300. As I have said, they are both 3-digit numbers. But the digit in the hundreds place of 200 is 2, and the value is 200. And the digit in the hundreds place of 100 is 1, and so the value is 100. Therefore, 200 is greater than 100, or 100 is smaller than 200. Look at the digit at the specific place and find its value so that it would be easier for you to find or compare the two numbers. For now, we are going to focus on addition and subtraction with two numbers, specifically having a sum and a minuend of 100 or less. And we are going to use the following symbols. These two symbols identify the operation that we're going to study today. This is for addition and this is for subtraction. Let's cite example first for addition. Again, if you see this symbol, this means we are doing an addition operation. Everybody, repeat after me. Full-time teacher. Addition. One more time. Addition. Very good. Addition. When we do addition, we don't say addition during solving problems, but instead we say plus. Plus. P L U S. Plus. On the next slides, you're going to see or you're going to know when we use the word plus. I have here a picture showing a problem. This girl is thinking that she has 24 pencils. She said in her mind, I have 24 pencils. Chani 24 pencils. And she also said, my friend has 13 pencils. I have 24 pencils and my friend has 13 pencils. question is, how many pencils do they have together? How many pencils do they have together? Remember, when we do addition, that means putting together. Put together. Going back to the question, how many pencils do they have together? In number sentence, we are going to write it this way. And this is how you're going to read it. 24 plus 13 equals, again, listen carefully. This is how you're going to say this equation. 24 plus 13 equals, okay, now we try to use figure in order to solve what is being asked in the problem. So it was written on the last slide that we need to put together 24 and 13. So for the figure, let's use 3 by 10s, 2 by 10s, and 4 by 1s. That is equal to 24. Of course, we use and we have 1 by 10s and 3 small cubes, giving us the total of 13. Okay, so if we put together all these pictures, it will sum up into this. 1, 2, 3 stacks of 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, giving us a total of 37 figures. 24 figures and 13 figures equals 37 figures. How about doing it in another way? Let's have the very common way of adding numbers. We have column addition, or lining up the numbers together. We need to get the answer of 24 plus 13. They are now arranged in columns. 4 and 3 aligned each other. 2 and 1 are aligned with each other. Step 1. This is a beginner step, or this is a beginner way of knowing how to add 2-digit numbers. Step 1. You're going to make a table with 2 columns and 3 rows. Again, we are going to make 2 columns with 3 rows. First column, we will write tens for tens place, and on the other column, we were going to write ones or for ones place. Tens and ones. Now we are ready to put each digit to its place. Let's begin with 24. In 24, tens would be 2 and 4 would be ones. For 13, 1 would be tens and 3 would be ones. And then we are ready to add them together. But first, we're going to start adding with the ones place. So we have 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Very good. That ends step 1. When we do step 2, it looks like this. We still have to create a table with 2 columns and 3 rows and the same data as for step 1. So 2 and 4, 1 and 3 plus 7. After adding the ones place, we proceed to the tens place. That's 2 plus 1 equals 3. Therefore, our answer or our final answer is 24 plus 13 equals 27. 24 plus 13 is equal to 37. How about this? Let's have another problem. Mint has got 27 pence. Again, Mint has got 27 pence. But Boat has got 8 pence. Buma or Mint has got 27 pence, while Boat has got 8 pence. Question: how many pence do they have altogether? If we put the pencils of Mint and Boat together, how many would it be? We have to write here 27 plus 8. Make the table 2, 7 and then 8. 7 plus 8 equals 15. So we need to bring down 5 and put 1 here in the tens place. So we have here 1 and 2. Now the next step would be tens, ones, 2, 7, 8, 4, 5, 1, 3. So our final answer would be okay. Therefore, our final answer, as I have said, we have 27 plus 8 equals 35. In adding numbers, we have the so-called switching the order of two numbers in addition. However, when we switch the order or the position of the numbers, it does not affect the final answer or the sum of it. For example, I have here 2 stars and this and this. Let's try to write it in numbers so that we can know, or we will know whether we can get the correct answer even if we change the position of the numbers. So again, this is 2 plus 3 equals, let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 stars together. Now let's see if we put 3 in the first place and then friends we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. See? Even if we change the position of the figures, we still are able to get the same answer. Okay? Going on or moving further. We now study how to do subtraction. Repeat after me. Subtraction. And when you do subtraction, you're going to say minus. Minus. Okay, we already have another scenario here. The girl thinks she has 37 candies, but my friends, or her friends rather, I have 37 candies, but my friend ate 12 of them. How many candies are left? The number sentence is 37 minus 12 equals. When we use figure, we have this. It says there 12 were lost because it was eaten. So let's get 12. Let's get 12. Yoo-hoo! We finished and we got 12 candies. Let's count how many were left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Just like column addition, we also have column subtraction. Step 1, make a table with 2 columns. First column would be for the tens place, and the next column would be for the ones place. Same, we write 3, we write 7, we write 1, and we write 2. And then subtract or minus. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Proceed to step 2. Same process, copy the numbers and put it in the right digit place value. 3 minus 1 equals. Very good. Now, we've got the correct answer. There are 25 candies who stole the candies of this little girl. The answer is 37 minus 12 equals 25. Good job. And lastly, let's have this. There are 30 students. 6 of them are boys. Ni samsip na yan ko. 6 of them are boys. Hok, huying. How many girls are there? 6 are boys, but we don't know about the girls. So let's have this. This would be the sentence number. It's 27 over 8 minus tens and ones, 3, 0, 6. So what are we going to do? 0 minus 6 cannot be subtracted with each other because 0 is very, very small. So what are we going to do is to borrow 1 from this, or borrow 1 from 3. And so now 3 becomes 2 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Same process for step 2. 10 minus 6 and 2. So we have 24. There are 24 girls. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have learned something from today's video. Goodbye everyone, and keep